I have to think about what I say, think about how I dress. And there's so many people who are willing to help you navigate that.
Yeah.
Who are willing to help you, like to just make sure that you don't do or say something subconsciously. You don't know, but you might say something or do something that will offend somebody, and that can make you not get a contract or something like that.
Headed to the top, there ain't none of y'all stopping me. Used to say I never get a ring, Charles Barkley. Now I got a wife, got kids, on property. Bubble-eyed beans that look like that be watching me. Okay, I lied about the beans, but that was hard though. I'm still in that black act, but she starred though. Cause that's all it takes. Don't flash it for. I'm on my grind, not no motherfucking fashion show.
Let me ask you this. With you, being from Kenya and being here in the United States and starting your business, do you think there's any advantages or disadvantages that you have? And then could you kind of expound on that a little more? Because what I want to do is I want to see, because I'm sure I have people, from all over the world watching this channel, trying to start a cleaning company, but they're wondering, okay, well, when I move there and I start this business, is it going to be harder or worse, or am I going to have any advantages? So could you kind of expound on, what you think your situation might be?
So the thing is, coming here and starting a business, like I said earlier on, I still don't know a lot of stuff. Like I still don't know like a lot of protocols involved, like how to talk, like something like that. So I asked a lot of help from my friends. I asked a lot of people that also who own businesses on what to do. Like if I go to a bid appointment, like I talk to people, okay, what should I expect? How should I respond?
Right.
Like, because in my culture, we don't have like political correctness or something like that. And
Right.
Moving here, you have to tread carefully so that you don't say something or do something that will offend somebody.
Right.
So presenting yourself in a way that will be acceptable to people here. So as an immigrant, when I go out for my bid, to do bids, I have to think about that. I have to think about what I say, think about how I dress. And there's so many people who are willing to help you navigate that.
Yeah.
Who are willing to help you, like to just make sure that you don't do or say something subconsciously. You don't know, but you might say something or do something that will offend somebody, and that can make you not get a contract or something like that. So I'm still like asking a lot of help from people. Like sometimes I go to make a bid appointment for window cleaning, and it's a different kind of windows that I've never seen since I was born. I'm 33. Like it's like things that I've never seen. So I'm like, okay, how do I charge this? So I take pictures and I go back.
Right.
I go back to ask. I go back. I ask questions. I take pictures and ask questions. Tell the customer, give me a few hours. I will give you the quote. Or give me a day. I will call you with the quote. So I go back and look at my calculator clean and then ask question like, okay, how much will I charge for this and this and this? And 99% of the time, I've got the help that I needed. So I feel like as an immigrant, when you move here, do not be afraid to ask questions. Ask. People are willing to help you grow. People are there to help you to grow. There are so many people who are there, like the Facebook page. I see people asking questions and people jump on right away and answer those questions like, okay, do this and this and this. Use this and this and this. Do not do that, but do this and this. People who have had years of experience doing this in this culture. So I feel like I'm in the right company. Yeah.
Absolutely. That's what's up, man. And you know what? What you just said was so powerful, because this is something that most people don't do. To me, it's common sense, but everybody don't do this. So like, for example, when you said that you might come across some windows you never seen before in your life, and you say you take some pictures and then you tell the customer, okay, I'll get back with you and I'll let you know how much we're going to charge. And that right there is really all it takes. Most people think they have to know what you're going to charge before you go. No, go see what's there first. Then you take it home, assess it. You can ask some questions in the Facebook group. You can go ask some colleagues. You can do some Google. You can do some YouTube, and then you can plug it in the calculator and figure it out, right? And so that's the approach that gets people to that next level. It's the fact that you're willing to figure it out, and you don't just go to the guy and say, "Oh no, I don't know what I'm doing," right? Oh, you carry it, be professional. Thank you, I'll let you know, and then you go home and you go figure it out, right? So that's perfect.
Yeah.
Man. I love that answer. All right, cool, man. Actually, one last thing too before I jump into what I was about to do. So this guy right here is on the internet. Somehow you find me, and I see you got the Cleaning Business Starter Kit course from us. I see you using Calculated Clean, and then I see you also bought some leads from us. So why you come from a whole nother country, you find this random black guy on the internet talking about this cleaning business? Why would you invest with me?
So before I did that, I searched around for like how, because I believe as a business owner, or if you want to start a business, it's good to first get like some kind of training to know how the industry is, even if you know it, even if you've done that for long. But it's good to know the nitty-gritties, the little things, like what to do, like what to expect. So I was looking for that, and I got all these courses online, but they you don't see somebody. You don't. Most of them are just like, you buy this package and they send you a link with all this information, and then you pay for a certificate that they mail you the certificate, but
Right.
you don't see the face.
Right.
You don't know if they have any experience in doing that. They can say they've done this for 20 years,
Right.
but who are you?